Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be looking at how to sync your MetaMask wallet with your Gala Games account, allowing you to use the various NFT marketplaces out there a lot easier. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're in my Gala Games account, and this video is basically going to be a tutorial showing you how to get your MetaMask wallet synced to your Gala Games account, which then will allow you to use the NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea a lot easier. But before we get into that step-by-step process, I just want to basically say a quick thing about the Brave browser. Now you can see this is my MetaMask wallet. I have that hooked up to my Brave browser, which I basically always use the Brave browser. But what I found was when I went to go and use OpenSea, it just didn't like it. It kept sort of asking me to create another wallet, which was actually within Brave browser. So obviously I had my browser extension, but it was like it wasn't recognizing that, and it was saying that I needed to create another wallet within the Brave browser itself. But I realized what the problem was, and it's a dead simple fix. So any of you that have done this process, got your MetaMask wallet hooked up onto the Brave browser, but then you found that you still couldn't use OpenSea, this is what the problem is. So if you go into your three-bar menu, you go down to settings, and then you come in here and go to click on wallet, and where it says Brave wallet prefer extensions, just click none. Just click none, and then what that will do is, rather than it looking for its own internal wallet extensions, it will see the browser extension that you have there already set up with your MetaMask wallet. And then after that, you should be able to use OpenSea without any sort of issues. Okay, so we are going to get this all set up and do the step-by-step process. Obviously, I have it already set up on the Brave browser, but I'm going to show you me going through the step-by-step process on the Google Chrome browser, because a lot of people use that, and obviously it is one of the most popular browsers to place extensions into. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so we're now in the Google Chrome browser, and as you can see here, if we click on there, the MetaMask wallet is not actually there, so we have to go and get it. So obviously, for those of you that have already got your MetaMask wallet, you don't need to get it. You should already have your extension set up. But for those of you that are doing this for the first time, in Chrome browser, what you do is you click on your three dots and you go to more tools and then click on extensions. Okay, so in extensions, you click on your three-bar menu there on the left, and then go down to the bottom and click on Web Store. And then in the search, just type Meta, and it should just be there. And then we just basically add this as a browser extension. Okay, so we go add to Chrome, add extension, check in. Okay, right, so there we go. So it's added to Chrome. So if we click on the jigsaw, click the pin, and then that will show permanently in that bar there. Okay, so we just close the extension store. Okay, so at this point, what you need to do is basically create yourself your new wallet. I am going to be restoring a another wallet. Obviously it'll be the same wallet that I've currently got in Brave browser, but we're adding it to the Chrome. So like I say, for those of you that don't already have this wallet set up, what you do is you go get started, and you would click, new people just getting this wallet would click create a wallet. I will click import wallet. Obviously, for those of you that might have removed it from your browser or something like that, now you might have the mobile app or something like that now. If you want to import your wallet, then basically what you do is click on here, and then you would need your secret recovery phrase, which you should have set up or you should have written down when you first created your wallet. So that's another thing for those new people that are creating the wallet for the first time. When you go create a wallet, it will give you a set of 12 words. That is your mnemonic phrase, I believe it's classed as. You need to write those down on a bit of paper, store that away somewhere safely so no one else can find it, just in the event of, like I'm doing now, you need to restore your wallet. Say for instance you wiped your computer, you've got to reload everything, you will then have to add that MetaMask again back to your browser, and you would use your mnemonic 12-word phrase or 12 words as a recovery. It's a recovery phrase, and you need to write that down. So if you don't write that down and something happens, you will lose everything. So make sure you have written that down. Okay, so I'm going to go and import my wallet. You guys go off and create your new wallet, and we'll meet right back here. So keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, my recovery phrase has worked fine, and we are all up and running. So we click all done, and we close that, and you can see here this is my account number 1. There shouldn't be an account number 2. No, there isn't. And we basically just close that, and obviously it's now here, there. So that's cool. Right, so the next thing we need to do is now we need to sync the Gala Games account with your MetaMask wallet. So what you got to do is you got to click on the drop down here. You need to go into your account, and then you scroll down and you click on private key. Okay, and then you got to download the private key. My advice is, once you have used this private key for what we're about to do, delete it from your computer. The last thing you want is to get your computer to get hacked and someone to get hold of this private key, because if they get hold of this private key, like it says here, they will have complete control over your account. So whatever you do, do not show anyone this, do not give it to anyone, do not put it on the internet. Just use it and then delete it from your computer is my advice. Okay, so we're going to download that. So you got to put in sorted out a pass or a transfer in your Gala account when you first set it up. You need to type that into. So we'll just do that. Okay, so we've done that. It's down. You can see it's downloaded there. It says ethereum-key.txt. So we get rid of that, and we need to go and get it. Okay, so you should have gone and retrieved your private key. You should have copied it, and then what we're going to do is we go into our MetaMask wallet, and then we click on import account. So you click on that, and then you put your private key in here. Okay, so we paste that, and then we click import, and then there you go. So it sets up a second account, and this is the account that is now connected with your Gala Games account. If we go into inventory, you should be able to see it synced. So there we go. So it's saying that there's 498 US dollars in there. If we click on the there you go, 1498 US dollars. Now the next thing we need to do is sync your actual Gala coins into that account as well. Okay, so what you need to do is we now need to go and get the contract address for the Gala token so we can import that into the MetaMask wallet. So you go to Etherscan, it's etherscan.io, and then in the search bar, if we go back to the main screen, in the search bar you just type Gala. And then you can see it says here Gala Games, so you know that's the correct one. Copy the address, go into your MetaMask wallet, and then at the bottom here it says import tokens. Click on import tokens and then click on custom token. Add that. That will then self-propagate the rest of the boxes, and then you just go add token and then go import token, and then that's it. That's added to your account, and then go back and then look, you can see that the Ethereum that is in my account is there, and now also is the Gala tokens as well. If we go back to my inventory, you can see I have 200 Gala tokens and the Ethereum is just there. You're wondering why these Gala tokens are not showing up. That is basically because it's on the GC, which is the Gala chain. This is not on the Ethereum chain, and at the moment, obviously, the only chain, because the Gala chain is an internal chain for Gala Games itself, and the reason why they've done that, even though it's not fully implemented, is the idea it allows members to transfer from the GC to the actual Ethereum chain virtually free. That is the point of it, so you won't really have to pay any sort of gas fees or anything like that. You can just transfer them straight over, and then once it's in the Ethereum chain, you can use that to buy stuff from the store, and you can also use it to purchase from things like OpenSea and other NFT marketplaces. But while it's in the GC, you can't. So, and the reason why I've not transferred mine over is at the moment the GC is not fully operational and has not been implemented fully. So like most people, we're just waiting for that to happen so we can then transfer our coins over and then spend them in the store, or like I say, in other NFT marketplaces. So like I say, you can see that that does correlate. We've got the $14.99, well, it's showing $15 there, and then 200 Gala, which is showing there. So that's the dead simple process of getting that all synced together. Now, if you go into OpenSea, what you can do then is obviously you can search around and explore for all the different NFTs. You can see that there is loads of skins available. This is actually what I'm on at the moment, is actually the official Townstar collection or Townstar page for Gala Games, and you can see that there's lots of skins there. Some are in Gala themselves in the way of what you can use to buy them. And then if you scroll right down, you'll start getting into things that have been listed, which you need to pay Ethereum for. So obviously, once you've got that up and running, you can then just click on whichever ones that you desire. You will just be aware that you are going to be paying for the gas fees. And right at this moment, gas fees are very high. They're actually fluctuating. The other day they had actually dropped some, but today they've gone back up. So they do fluctuate, so be careful. But the good thing is you can when you click on them, it should tell you how much something is gonna cost you. So you're probably wondering, what is the big benefit from syncing your MetaMask wallet or your wallet to your Gala account? Simply that basically once you've purchased NFTs from whether it be OpenSea or another NFT market, they will get put into your wallet, and because your wallet is actually synced with your Gala account, shortly after you've purchased them, they will automatically appear in your Gala Games inventory, and then you can use them in the game. So there's no messing about, there's no transferring from one place to another. They will just be there. Obviously, it's not necessarily an immediate thing. There might be a bit of a delay, but they will appear in your inventory at some point, and then you can just use them directly into the game. So, for instance, if I can I'll just click on anything. So if we click on this and we say it's showing that in US dollar price, 55 Gala is worth $15 and 43 cents. But remember, there is the gas fee on top of that. So if we click on the buy it now, as we know that looking at the price in the listing, it was saying that the item itself was about $15. If we click there and then we click confirm checkout, you can see here $15.43. It'll open. Be really careful. Look, estimated gas fee $82. So obviously that is just ridiculous. You don't want to be paying that. And then, I mean, that's like over double the amount of what the item is actually worth. So just click reject. And like I say, have a bit of patience, come back, keep checking it out. Obviously, if you can land in a point where the network is sort of not at peak, so off peak hours, so usually early mornings, late evenings, those kind of things, your gas fee should be a lot lower. And that is at the end of the day what you want, because you don't want to be paying over the odds for these things, because it's just not worth it. It really is not worth it. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you are interested in that playlist that I talked about earlier, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, it really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.